Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
So today we are very fortunate to have with us a true patriot of our country, a good orator, I would say, an educationist, a well-versed orator. We have with us Lieutenant Vineet Ji. Today I'd like to welcome him on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Mahu Parivar. We welcome you, sir. I think it is just like an icing on the cake. Tomorrow we are celebrating 25th. Day after tomorrow, sorry. Day after tomorrow we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. And today we have with us a true patriot. Sir is having a vast experience in an Indian army. So definitely it benefited. Let me have a brief introduction of sir today. Lieutenant Colonel Vineet Oriji, commissioned into Indian Army in the year 2000. He is an alumni of Indian Military Academy, IMA, a postgraduate in computers, MCA. He acquired BEd while in service. In his 21 years of service, he has served on various educational appointments as instructor in prestigious military training establishments like Indian Military Academy and National Defense Academy, NDA. So we are very lucky to have you, sir, with us today. And sir will be instilling the spirit of patriotism today through some inspirational stories on freedom struggles. So definitely, I hope all the students will learn a lot of good things from sir. So once again, I would like to welcome sir to our school. Thank you, sir, to spare some valuable time for our students. And now over to sir. Sir, please.
इसको बंद कर दो। Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
We know Independence Day marks the occasion to celebrate the countless sacrifices and struggles our freedom fighters have made to make India independent from British rule. Around 75 years ago, on the historic date of 15th August 1947, India became free from the British domination. It was the culmination of numerous movements and struggles that were rife throughout the time of British rule, including the historic revolt of 1857. This independence was achieved through the efforts of many revolutionary freedom fighters who took the lead in organizing the struggle which led to the India's independence. Although they were of varied ideologies ranging from moderates to extremists, their contribution to India's freedom struggle has been immortalized in the minds of every Indian. My heartfelt wishes for the 75th Independence Day. We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power. The founding fathers of this nation, along with numerous freedom fighters who gave their lives to the country, wanted this nation to be independent and happy. Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power to fulfill it. India's freedom movement against the British was witness to an overwhelming participation of people throughout the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Assam to Gujarat. Thousands of men and women fought together against atrocities of the British Raj. While many selfless gave their lives to protect the dignity of their motherland, others got injured and embraced imprisonment. Let us know about a few brave freedom fighters from various parts of colonial India who gave their lives to achieve freedom for their beloved motherland. Matangini Hazara. Matangini Hazara was a revolutionary in the Indian independence movement who fought for upholding Gandhian principles. Actively involved in the Quit India movement, she led a procession of revolutionaries to seize Tamluk police station in West Bengal on September 29, 1942. The police opened fire at the crowd, causing fatal injury to the 73-year-old braveheart. Surya Sen, popularly known as Master Da. Surya Sen was a leading revolutionary in the Indian independence struggle against the British rule. He was actively involved in the non-cooperation movement. He is well renowned for his leading role in the 1930 Chittagong Army raid, where he led a group of revolutionaries to raid the police armory. He was hanged on January 12, 1934 for his attempts to rebel against the British. Ram Prasad Bismil. Apart from being a freedom activist, Ram Prasad Bismil was renowned as a patriotic poet who wrote poems using pen names Ram, Agyat, and Bismil. He was one of the founders of the Hindustan Republican Association. He was actively involved in the Manipur conspiracy and the Kakori conspiracy in UP. He was hanged on December 19, 1927 for his revolutionary activities against the British. Bhaga Jatin. Jatindranath Mukherjee, popularly known as Bhaga Jatin, played a crucial role in India's freedom movement. With a dream of saving his motherland from the clutches of the British rule, the revolutionary led the Jugantar Party in Bengal. On September 10, 1915, he died after being critically injured in a gunfight with the British police. Inspired by Swami Vivekananda's ideals, one of the bold statements made by Bhaga Jatin was, "We shall die to awaken the nation." Veer Tikendrajit Singh. Veer Tikendrajit Singh was the Prince of Independent Kingdom of Manipur and the commander of Manipuri army. The Anglo-Manipur War took place under his leadership. On March 31st, 1891, the British government sent military force against the Manipur from Kohima, Silchar, and Temu. The Manipuri army fought bravely against the British under the leadership of Veer Tikendrajit Singh, but eventually lost. The British arrested him and he was finally hanged on August 13th, 1891. Pingali Venkaiah. Born in Andhra Pradesh, freedom fighter Pingali Venkaiah was an ardent follower of Gandhiji's ideals. Known for his knowledge in geology and agriculture, it was his design on which the Indian national flag is based upon. In 2009, India Post released a postage stamp in his honor. Durgavati Devi. Durgavati Devi was actively engaged in the armed revolution against the British rule in India. She was an active member of the revolutionary group Naujawan Bharat Sabha. After the assassination of British official J.P. Saunders, she assisted in the escape of Bhagat Singh and Rajguru via train. As revenge for hanging of Bhagat Singh, Devi tried to assassinate Lord Haley, the former governor of Punjab. However, her attempt was not successful, ultimately leading to her imprisonment. Who can forget the famous trio popularly known as Lal Bal Pal? Bipin Chandra Pal was a revolutionary born in 1858 during the biggest revolution against the British Army. He was a significant part of the Indian National Congress and encouraged the abandonment of foreign goods. He formed a trio with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, to be known as Lal Bal Pal, where they executed several revolutionary activities. Lala Lajpat Rai, famously known as Punjab Kesari, he was one of the extreme. He led the Punjab protest against the Jallianwala Bagh incident and non-cooperation movement. He fought against the Simon Commission protest and lost his life because of a lathi charge of the Britishers. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a remarkable freedom fighter born in 1856. Famously known for his quote, "Swaraj is my birthright." He published several rebellious newspapers and built schools to defy British rule. He was the third member of Lal Bal Pal, along with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. Kids, there are numerous stories which will help enable you to understand the struggle, the freedom struggle which we have gone through and the sacrifices which we have made. However, these were a few to enable you to understand that the gravity of the situation was very grave. Let us now salute today the people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. Jai Hind.